Imagine a future where adventure meets innovation, where exploration is redefined not by the size of your vehicle, but by the efficiency, technology, and sustainability it offers. Welcome to the year 2026, where the roads are beginning to change and leading the revolution is something truly unexpected, a camper tricycle RV. Not a bulky motorhome, not a traditional camper van, but a sleek, electric, three-wheeled marvel designed for the solo traveler, the couple seeking off-grid freedom, or the nomadic minimalist who wants to go further with less. At first glance, it might look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its aerodynamic shape, solar-paneled skin, and digital interfaces glowing faintly even in daylight, the Camper Trike doesn't shop for attention, it earns it. Built on a lightweight carbon titanium hybrid chassis, the Trike balances durability with agility. It's less than half the weight of a small van and twice as nimble. Its three-wheeled configuration provides enhanced stability, even on gravel roads or during high-speed cornering, and the electric motor delivers smooth, responsive acceleration. The 2026 Camper Trike runs entirely on electric power, with an onboard 100 kWh solid-state battery pack integrated seamlessly into the floor, and up to 600 miles of range on a single charge, thanks in part to regenerative braking and integrated solar panels that supplement energy throughout the day. The panels, built with cutting-edge graphene-based solar cells, unfold automatically when parked, forming a sort of canopy above the vehicle that both collects sunlight and provides shade. But what really sets this Camper Trike apart isn't just what's under the hood, it's what's inside. Step into the rear cabin, and you're greeted by a space that's been engineered with efficiency, comfort, and futuristic elegance in mind. The interior expands slightly using a sliding wall system, giving you more room when stationary without compromising aerodynamics on the move. The walls are made of a flexible smart material that insulates, adapts to temperature, and even displays customizable ambient lighting or information when you touch it. Inside, there's a convertible sleeping pod that transforms from a comfortable daybed into a full-length sleeping area for two. Above it, a transparent, electrochromic roof panel allows you to stargaze at night or dim to full blackout with a simple voice command. The micro-kitchen includes an induction cooktop, a compact sink with a water purifying system, and a modular prep area, all hidden behind fold-out panels when not in use. Storage is everywhere, under the floor, behind panels, even built into the furniture. Every square inch is used, every component multifunctional.